Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name's Nyla and I am back with Skyway Classics. Today I have a very beautiful 1940 Chevrolet Super Deluxe Coupe. This thing is exquisite. From the paint job to the interior, 1940, and it's got AC, it's got stereo, it drives so nicely. It does have front and back seats, but it is just a two-door automatic transmission. The paint job on this thing is awesome. It's got some really cool detail and pinstriping. Very, very well done. Just doing a quick little walk around so I can show you the exterior and interior. But this car is definitely something. Show you the interior here. Black leather, bench seats. Very well taken care of. Obviously has been redone or restored. Headliner. Nice and simple, functional. It's got all your gauges, you got your AC, you got your stereo, you got everything you need. I'm gonna go ahead and get that engine started. We'll take it for a spin and then I will show you the underneath. Stay tuned. Alright, here we are, gonna take this 1940 for a spin. Just want to show you the AC is blowing super cold. And the radio does work. Pretty freaking impressive. Alright, I drove this car earlier and I am just astounded with how well it drives. The steering is super tight, it's so smooth, it goes into gear part, all of the gears perfectly. Sounds so good driving down the road. Let me turn this AC off. I mean, just listen to that. Sure to turn some heads. Let's take this dip in the road. These are a little low, so I'm going to take it a little slow. No squeaking. Took it very nicely. So graceful. These are just so fun to drive. I mean, it's unlike any vehicles, that we have nowadays. And for a 1940 to run this good is just very, very hard to find. I think I might be in second gear. Let me get this thing in drive here. Hold on. Here we go. Alright. Let's see how that transmission does. Oh, so beautiful. Flawless. Seamless. It's just beautiful. So much fun to drive. Brakes work great. Everything works great. Even the windshield wipers work. Here's the lights. You got your windshield wipers. Just awesome. I'm going to flip it around, get it on the hoist, and we'll take a look at the underneath.